the Philippine history, the English language also underwent a historical process. There is history of the English language. Can you read the first paragraph? The Old English.
Old English, the language with which you are made today, which you have studied
Uy,
history.
tignan mo kung tumitingin siya.
In fact,
Ano ba?
printed in ancient characters and
Ano? Teacher. Teacher. Ano ba?
the angle
Binibidyo.
are British icons. This brings Felix child from Denmark, her breast of Northern Church.
Ito si Mika, hindi nakikinig, puro paganda.